Hi everyone, today's video is how to create a email template. So we're just going to go down to manage records, and my head is in the way, sorry about that. So to create an email template, sorry, not manage records, tools, we go to tools and you'll see a range of different options in here, and we're going to click on email builder. Now, by default, we have two different email types or templates. The first one is generic. The generic one will not allow us to merge any data in. So might be a stock standard email template. So we'll put a test one in here. This will be a test subject. And hello, valued customer. Thanks for booking an appointment. So this is where we can't actually bring any data from our system into this email template, and then we click on Save Template. The other one, which is probably more value, is the merge templates. So our example today might be we're going to merge in data from an appointment. So I'm going to choose this appointment record. And we'll go and put in an appointment reminder email template, and your appointment is coming up with, and we might want to put the practitioner's name in here. So I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to take a look at my practitioner name. I'm going to add it to the subject. All right, and automatically it's gone and put in our specific tag, which is what we need in there for it to work. And then we can say hi, and then if you want your client name, we're going to go client, and we'll go first name, add to body, and then we can say your appointment is coming up. And then again, now you can put in data on the appointment field, so we can say the date, add it to the body, and then we can say at the appointment time, hypothetically. And what we can see is that this will automatically merge in data for every appointment ongoing. So that's how you would create an email template. Here's some that are saved automatically, so you can add as many templates as you want for a range of different scenarios, and you'll be able to merge them into any record that's in your system. Hope that helps. Thank you.